Alright, what's going on, guys? John back here with another video. So today's video, we're gonna get right into it, just like the last one. Enough of these long intros. I'm not rocking with it. Uploads every Thursday, Sunday. Like I said, I'm gonna stick to it. Actually, every Sunday. I said Thursdays occasionally. Anyways, main reason why you clicked on this video. You're wondering, what are the things you need to know before you're buying a diesel vehicle? In this case, I have a BMW, so this might go towards the TDI / BMW diesel groups, maybe even Mercedes and whatnot. Not really so much trucks, because I feel like people that are buying diesel trucks, like they already know, they know the vibes. They're good, they're all right. But this is for the diesel car owners, all right? So once we get to our destination here, I'm gonna get a little bit more in depth with that. Subscribe, like the video, share it with your friend. Help me out, guys. I'm trying to hit 10,000 subs by the end of June. I'll catch you guys in June with 10,000 subs. I'm hyped to get there. Can't wait to be there with all y'all. So that's it. Oh, homie's rolling up over here. Yo, my guy. Y'all like the diesel? They're not rocking with it. They're not rocking with it. It's all right. Not everybody's rocking with it. Woo! All right, guys. So you want to own a diesel vehicle, and you're wondering, what do I need to know to own a diesel, right? So first things first, whenever you roll up to a gas station, think to yourself, get my diesel and I'll be on my way, right? Yeah, well, that's usually never the case, actually. So most of the time, whenever you go up to the gas station, the gas attendant's gonna look you in the face, gonna look you dead in the eye, and be like,
"Sir, are you sure you want diesel in this thing?"
And I'm like, "Yes, sir, I'm 100% sure that I want diesel in my diesel vehicle." They're like,
This is diesel that I'm gonna put in here. I'm like,
yeah, this diesel. Yeah, diesel, right here. You hear this thing? Not gas, diesel. So you have to convince the gas station attendant, if you live in New Jersey at least, that you gotta put diesel in your diesel vehicle. So that's number one thing right there. All right, next up is gonna be rolling up to the gas station and actually remembering that you have to put diesel in your car. So if you serve your own gas, just remember, you gotta put diesel in this thing, not gas. Don't put 93 in it. If you have like a 335i, this is not a 335i, it's 335D. Get it right. I don't know, if you have a diesel Benz or whatever else there is out there, TDI, whoever drives those things. Oil changes. You gotta make sure you put some good old diesel oil in this thing, all right? This is not gonna take your regular synthetic oil. I know a lot of people run Liqui-Moly. I know a lot of people run Shell T6 Rotella like but I know a lot of people with TDIs and stuff, they run like Liqui-Moly. I don't remember the weight and stuff. But yeah, my camera woman over here, my girlfriend behind the camera, she's telling me, I run Liqui-Moly. I got her on the Liqui-Moly game. You gotta make sure you're putting in the right, correct oil. Also, when it comes to changing it, eventually you're gonna need to change your diesel filter. Oil, I don't know, your diesel filter. I don't know if there's another word for it. I know there's like obviously the oil filter, but there's also another filter associated with the diesels. Now, most of you, maybe not, I don't know, might need to put DEF into your car. That's another thing. And if you come on over here, this here 335D, from the factory you need to put DEF in it, okay? Here's this little circle here. You don't see those on the 335Is. And a lot of people are always asking me, John, what's this circle? That's where you put the DEF, okay? But I don't do that in this car because my car's just built different. I have all my emissions, so I don't really have to worry about that. I still put DEF in it, obviously. So make sure you're putting DEF in it. If you got a diesel vehicle that takes it. Other than that, don't worry about it. Next up, you might be going through tires like a bandit because these things just make so much torque. Now, if you have a TDI, you don't have to worry about it. You're not gonna go through tires, bro. I'm just being honest. With the D though, deleted, tuned, you could be making like 500 torque, and then you might just go through tires. Now, I myself may have went through rear tires within a month, but I don't think it's due to torque. I think I had a bad batch of tires. You know what? It is what it is. Thank you, Hankook, for the great tires. I don't know what's going on with it, but nonetheless, if you are getting a diesel, put some money aside for tires. Maybe preferably like $1,000, because you're spending like $1,000 on tires for 4. Next up, what you need to know about, now these things are smelly, especially when deleted. Not that mine's deleted, but when they're deleted, they are smelly. So prepare yourself whenever you are going out and people are wondering why you smell like a trucker that just did like a 18-hour shift. It's because your car just absolutely reeks of diesel. So that's just something that you kind of have to work with and live with. I enjoy it nowadays. I kind of love it. I've just grown to really love that diesel smell. In the summer, when you're just sitting at a stoplight and you're just inhaling the diesel fumes, it's can't get much better than that, to be honest. I mean, maybe it's just me. Other than that, guys, all I have to say is put money aside, because they can get expensive, especially with brakes. I'm sure you're gonna go through brakes. You're gonna want to be launching this thing. Tires are gonna be gone. I mean, at least these things got some strong axles, so you don't have to worry about breaking your axles. Unlike my BRZ, I mean, I haven't broken any yet. Knock on wood. Nonetheless, guys, subscribe. New videos every Sunday, possibly also Thursday if I can film enough and have enough content. Hopefully this weekend we can get something done. This coming weekend we can get something done that with the BRZ, make some videos with that thing. If you guys have any suggestions on videos, drop them down below. I want to hear your thoughts. That's going to do it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
I want to get coffee tomorrow. Don't burn them.